Today we're doing some really awesome science experiments. So before we start, I want to give a big thank you to MELScience for sending us these awesome experiments in starter pack.
Yeah, these look super awesome, don't they?
Yep, so MELScience has these really awesome chemistry sets and they send you 2 every month.
So in each chemistry kit you get 2 or 3 experiments, so that equals 4 to 6 new experiments every month.
So today we're going to be doing the starter kit and the tin experiment. So should we get started?
Yeah, let's get this kit open and see what you get inside the male chemistry starter kit, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okie dokie, so we've got a booklet. And then what else have we got in here, Oscar? Let's pop it over here and you can take it out.
So we've got this tray.
Yep.
Probably for putting the experiments on so it doesn't get too messy. We've got this awesome smartphone stand.
Okay, cool, because there's an app that you can download, isn't there, to see a few more things about the experiment. So we'll use that a bit later when we do the experiment.
Yep.
What else is in the box?
There is also these really awesome experiment goggles. Would you like some?
Thank you. Safety glasses.
Yep.
It's really important that you wear those, isn't it?
Yep.
Keep yourself safe. So, eyes protected?
Yep.
Okay, what else is in the box?
And then we have this beaker with lots of cups. Lots and lots of cups.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
Let's have a look. Oh, okay, so these are the macro lenses. So you can put these onto your phone or your smartphone. If I open, you can see inside there's a little lens. So that will enable us to take closer up photos of our experiments. Get lots of stuff in the starter kit, don't you?
Oh, it feels like rubber.
Feels like rubber. Oh yeah, so you've got some rubber stoppers. So they obviously go in the top of here.
Oh, cool.
So you've got this really cool solid fuel stove. Let's see, because I think this is supposed to open. Clip open like this. So it goes like this. And this is the flame diffuser, which I think must go on the top. Somehow. Like that maybe? Yeah, that looks right, doesn't it?
Yep.
So you can heat things up. So we've got also this syringe. And we've got some cork stands, which obviously is to go under the stove so we don't set fire to anything. So this is really awesome. So it's really good value for money. You get the whole starter kit there, and when you first order with your first delivery. And then, like we said, we get a few experiments. So this is the first experiment we're going to do with you today, and it's the tin experiment.
Yeah.
And there's also, I don't know whether we mentioned before, but there is also a MELScience app. So you've got all of the different reagents here. And then there's an experiments tab where it gives you more details about all the experiments. So if we try and find the one for tin hedgehog, I think that's the one, isn't it? A zinc pellet turns into a hedgehog. Okay, so if we load that up, tin hedgehog. So this says difficulty, easy, danger 2, and duration 20 minutes. So this is using tin chloride and zinc. And it says wear protective gloves and eyewear. Conduct the experiment on the tray. It's got in here some safety rules. It's got some first aid information in case there's any accident whilst you're carrying out your experiment. And then there's advice for the supervising adults.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it's really good. So you can go in here. It's also got some FAQs and step-by-step instructions and the scientific description of why it happens. So this is really good. So they've really gone in depth with all of the knowledge and information and made it really easy. So what do we think of the starter kit then, Oscar?
It's awesome!
Yeah, are you excited to get ready and start doing some experiments?
Yep.
Yeah. Now, I don't know whether you know about us Splat fans, but Oscar is home educated.
Yeah.
So we always seek out these sort of things to do to encourage his learning and his development in these areas. So Male Chemistry were really kind enough to send us this pack, and we're going to try and do a weekly video for you so that you can see all of the different experiments that come with the set, and you can learn alongside us.
Yeah.
Cool. So should we get this tin experiment open and see what we get inside?
Good idea.
So this is a little bit in the, so we got this book inside the starter kit, and I'm just reading through quickly, and it says here about time needed. So each chemistry set holds 1 to 3 experiments. Some experiments take 10 minutes and others may take an hour. So we recommend dedicating a couple of hours on a weekend for each chemistry set. We're lucky enough that, as I said, we home educate Oscar, so we're lucky enough that we can have the time to do this in the week, can't we?
Yep.
But it says certain experiments require idle time, which may range from several hours to days. In this case, you may initiate a chemical reaction and wait for the results to observe later. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? And then it says about, so each chemistry set that you get contains the following: experiment cards, chemistry set instructions, reagents to perform each experiment 2 to 3 times, and equipment for experiments included in the set. So you don't just get enough to do it one time, you get enough to do it 2 to 3 times. So you get to perform the experiment over and over again until you can understand it properly.
Awesome.
So that's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now there's also something that we forgot to mention, was that we also got this really cool VR headset, didn't we?
Yep.
So here we go. So you just pop your phone inside the VR glasses, and then you get a virtual reality experience with that as well on the app. So you can look through here and see the molecules in 3D through here. So that's really awesome. There's so much to do with this kit. I think it's about £38 a month, but so worth that money, especially if you want to teach your children some extra things about chemistry and get them to do some hands-on experiments, just for some extra curricular activity, but in our case to support our home education journey as well. So this is great, we're really excited. So Oscar, let's get open our tin set and see what we get inside.
Okie dokie. I wonder if there's lots of different tin experiments here, or just tin hedgehog.
I think there's just one. Oh no, hang on, because this says on the back, tin dendrite 15 minutes and tin hedgehog 20 minutes.
Oh, cool.
So perhaps there's 2 tin experiments inside. We'll have to see when we open it.
What's a dendrite?
Not sure. Dendrite.
Dendrite.
I'm sure it will tell us inside the pack. So this is good, even if you don't know much about chemistry yourself as an adult. Because the sets are really concise, they've got a lot of information in them. So, welcome to science. It's a nice little touch on the front there. So, tin dendrite, a metal tree grows before your very eyes.
Awesome.
That looks really cool, doesn't it? So we can either do that one, tin dendrite, or we can do this other one, which is tin hedgehog. So a zinc pellet turns into a hedgehog. Okay. So which one do you like the look of the best? You have a look at those and see which one you want to do today.
I think I want to do the tin hedgehog.
Yeah, that looks awesome, doesn't it? I've seen the video online of this and it looks really cool. Okay, so we've got everything ready for our experiment, haven't we? Our tin hedgehog.
Yep.
So here you go, Oscar. Here's some small gloves for you.
Thank you.
I'll pop some gloves on too. You need this bottle here of sodium hydrogen sulfate, and you're going to pour this into this tin chloride, okay? So let's open this up. Okay, I think we're nearly there, aren't we?
Yep.
Okay, now what we need to do is use this red stopper to pop on the top, and then when it's secure we're going to give it a shake. So can you shake that up for me?
Yep.
So what we need to do now is open this.
And pour half of it into there.
That's right. Pour it to halfway. Let me know when it's about halfway, Oscar.
Okay, it's halfway. Oh.
Oops. Let's pour a bit back. It's about halfway there, yeah? Right, so now we've filled that up halfway, then we need to take a piece of Where's our zinc? So here we've got some zinc.
Okay. So a tiny bit.
So the code for zinc is ZN.
Okay.
So we're going to take one piece of zinc. So we have a piece of zinc and we're going to pop it in to the solution. And then we wait. So the zinc metal reacts with the tin chloride present in the solution. During the reaction, the tin precipitates from the solution as beautiful crystals. The tin crystals grow on a surface of the zinc pellet. That's how the tin hedgehog appears. Oh, cool. So it is getting the slight crystals growing on there, isn't it? Can you see them growing?
Yeah.
Can you see that, boys and girls?
I can see
It's
them growing actually.
Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it?
So what did it say, like 20 minutes?
So about 20 minutes to do the full thing. So if we just leave it for now, and we'll come back in a bit and show the boys and girls after 20 minutes what it looks like, yeah?
Okie dokie.
Okay.
It's been 20 minutes since we've done our experiment. And look, a hedgehog has been born. A hedgehog has been born.
Wow, look at that. That is so awesome, isn't it? This one's been really fun to watch, hasn't it? All the little bits that have been growing.
Yeah, how hedgehogs are created.
Yeah, it's how hedgehogs are born. So what do we think of this MELScience kit then?
Awesome.
Really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've learnt a lot today. Even I've learnt a lot. It's been a few years since I left school, so it's been educational for me too, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But it's really cool. It's really worth the monthly subscription. You get so much. We didn't realise, but in each kit there's more than one experiment. So there's another tin one for us to do, and we'll do that on our next video.
Yeah.
But yeah, it comes with so many things. The explanations are really simple and easy to understand, and the app that goes alongside it makes it really easy to see how to do the experiments and to understand them as well. So this has been great fun. So if you're interested in buying one of these kits, you can head over to the MELScience website where you can sign up for your subscription, or go and check them out on their social media and you can see some of the other experiments. There's lots on YouTube already, and you can head over to their Facebook or their Twitter or their Instagram pages to see some of the cool photos from the experiments. We'll put some of our photos in the video as well, so you can see what our hedgehog looks like up close using our macro lens that was sent to us in our pack.
Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching our awesome video. Today we made a hedgehog. A hedgehog has been born. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.